Friends, we are again meeting to have the next session of DFU News Series 2021. Here we go. The topic this time is Lee Wrangler to increase focus on online channels in India. Jeans brands Lee and Wrangler are planning to transform their Indian operation into omni-channel entities. Yes, you guessed it right. This is being done to drive growth and double sales over next 2 years by extensively focusing on online channels, which has become the underlying strength for the retail operation. The US-based Contour brand is moving Lee and Wrangler business from a wholly owned Indian subsidiary to a franchisee model. The company has signed a licensing deal with Bengaluru-based Ace Turtle, which provides e-commerce solutions to traditional retailers. Contour is looking to shut a few stores in India and focusing on rapid growth of fashion products online. The decision to partner Ace Turtle in India is a part of strategy to adapt to a market that is increasingly online and ensure the brands are accessible to customers across the country through a combination of e-commerce and physical stores, right? The partnership comes at a time when fashion and lifestyle brands including Puma, Levi's, Jack and Jones of the world have reported doubling online businesses as consumers avoided malls and high streets amongst fear of COVID-19. Retailers said the pandemic has leapfrogged their online sales by 5 times. Yes, you heard it right, 5x. And much of the growth is there to stick. In coming months, Ace Turtle will upgrade their store technology to expose the brick and mortar inventories on upcoming Lee and Wrangler web stores, as well as on e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon, and Myntra's of the world. Lee and Wrangler currently source almost 90% apparels from within India, and Ace Turtle plans to increase local shopping and sourcing to about 95% within a year. The supply chain will be ramped up notably towards omni-channel retailing and a quick turnaround time as per online demand. Bottom line, digital shopping is here to stay. Viewers, thanks for your patient hearing. God bless you all. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and please subscribe to our channel.